In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add the animation to your video or to your photos onto your text, etc. So I think this is video especially for those of you who are using CapCut PC for this time. So open the CapCut PC apps and can import your videos, audios, and photos you like to edit. And for example, going to select these images, and to add the animation just click on the clip and choose the animation option right here and just click on it. You can select in, out, or combo animation. For example, I'm just going to select in and select this one, this animation you like, head in, and you can adjust for the duration. And for the second clip, I'm just going to select out and select this collision for the duration. And this is the final effect. You can change for effect. Yeah, I hope this tutorial was able for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.